مرحبا بكم في تعلم اللغة العربية. Welcome to learn Arabic language. Session 0.1 pronunciation lesson in the beginning. Hello and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Proceeding towards our today's lesson, which is tell you how to pronounce these symbols: standing zabar, and standing pesh. So as you can see, I have made two examples here. I have taken alif as an example. We will pronounce it with a double breath. You have to hold your breath for 2 seconds. For minimum 2 seconds. You will have to say ah, and you will pronounce it as e. So this is how you pronounce standing zabar and zer. You have to hold your breath for at least 2 seconds. Then you will be able to pronounce the Arabic words correctly. Now moving forward to our next topic, which is mad, tashdid and jazm. Mad is this symbol. In this symbol, I have taken example of I have taken this alphabet alif, and I will tell you how to pronounce it. While pronouncing this symbol, you have to raise your voice as zabar a, but you have to hold your breath for 4 to 5 seconds at least, like this. Say with me and follow me. This is how you have to do it. And now tashdid. This word tashdid is this symbol, the W-like symbol. These symbols mean that 2 alphabets are joined. You may not understand it at first, but let me clear you. It is upon the alphabet meme, which means that 2 memes are combined together. That's why this symbol is there. When there is one meme, you would have said this alphabet as shams, but now this is a random alphabet I have taken. So, but then there are the tashdid. So you have to say shams. You have to hold here. Because it combines 2 mean together, or if it is upon any alphabet, you have to hold there. Again, shams. You see, I am holding at in the pronunciation of this sound, means sound. Now the next word is jazm. Jazm is this symbol. Actually, this symbol has very much importance, because this symbol has no pronunciation like zabar, zer, pesh, or khada, standing zabar and standing zer, or mad. If it is upon any alphabet, just stop there, like shams. I did not pronounce it as shamsi, shamsa, shamsu. I pronounced it as shams. I stopped at s, shams. So this is jazm, mad and tashdid. Practice these lessons so you will be able to do it correctly. Now our next lesson is the practice of previous and today's lesson. I have taken example of the Muslims' holy book Quran's chapter. It is a small chapter with at least 5 verses. Here these words ayn and salle means you have to stop. These are verse numbers, and this toy also means stop, ta, and this lasa, it means you can even continue or stop. Qaf means you have to stop. So I hope there's no problem in pronouncing. Follow me and say with me, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You can also pronounce Rahimi, but it's better to stop when there's a symbol, verse symbol. Just pronounce pronounce it like jazm. Inna anzalnahu fi laylatil qadr wama adraka ma laylatul qadr laylatul qadri khairun min alfi shahr tanazzalul. You see tanazzalu, and this lam is joining with this lam. Tanazzalul malaikatu warruhu fiha biizni rabbihim min kulli amr salamun hiya hatta matla'il fajr. I pronounce it with good sound. You can also pronounce it as inna anzalnahu fi laylatil qadr wama adraka ma laylatul qadr laylatul qadri khairun min alfi shahr tanazzalul malaikatu waruhu fiha biizni rabbihim min kulli amr salamun hiya hatta matla'il fajr. You can also pronounce it with fast, with speed. So I hope you guys have no problem in this lesson. Thanks for watching. Shukran mashahida. If you have any problem, comment and let us know. Like, comment and subscribe our channel. Your feedback will be appreciated. Stay tuned till the next session. Allah Hafiz.